Okay, today's title is going to be Grade 8 Review, Integers. Okay, can somebody please tell me what an integer is? Oh boy. Sorry. Natasha, go ahead. Yeah, she said a positive or negative number. I'm going to change that a little bit. She left out one word that I'm going to put in there. Somebody think of what she said, positive or negative number, and I said sort of. What should we leave out? Nobody's brave. No. I'm going to call that a whole number, though. Right? Integers are only whole numbers. Okay. So like negative 3.8 is not an integer. Okay. And integers are only like negative 3. So the examples for this would be examples are negative 314 and negative 803. Is 0 an integer? Is 0 an integer? Yeah. Good. No. It is actually. Okay, it's not. This is the thing. It's not positive or negative. It's a number. It's considered to be an integer. It's because there's no decimal. That's basically it. All right. Let's get into a few examples and see how we can do with these. Okay, letter A says, start off easy. 2 plus 3. Can I get a brave volunteer? So I'm going to slow down there. For the first time. Okay. So, yeah?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh my god. I was thinking
you know this one, 2 plus 3? Go ahead.
5.
Thank you. Okay. 2 plus 3 is in fact 5. That's good. Those are both integers. You guys have been doing that since you were behind the grasshopper. I got those two. Sorry, I got the 2 hand raisers. Somebody else. Trinity, go ahead.
1.
That is not 1. Negative. It's okay. It's okay. Negative 2 minus 3. John?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Why is this negative 5? Why is that negative 5? You know what I don't have? I'll take the back wall. Why is that going to be negative 5? Oh, sorry. Bailey, go ahead.
Because you're minusing a positive number.
Yeah, okay, think. When you're minusing a number, it means the number's getting smaller, right? So negative 2, and you're getting smaller by 3, negative 5. The way I do it, I like add them and say they're both negative. I do it like 2, in my head, I do 2 plus 3, and it's a negative, so it's negative 5. Does this come back for some people? Yes? Integers? I hope so. Okay, letter C. Oh, here's another one going on, Mr. Sadler. Oh, one other thing I didn't mention, as far as health concerns, I have a lot of them. Okay, I should probably pause this. The whole world doesn't need to know this. The internet can ignore. Oh, goodness. The internet can ignore. All right, negative 4 plus negative 2. Yeah, still go ahead.
Would it be negative 6 or negative 2?
It's one of those.
Negative 2? That is the last one you...
So negative 4, we'll just think. Let's just say it was, let's go the other way. Let's just say it was 4 plus 2. What's 4 plus 2? So what's negative 4 plus negative 2 then? Negative 6, right? It's the same thing but negatives, right? So that's just negative 6. And I wanted to write this one up that way because if you take a look, whatever way is easier for you. Because these two actually mean the same thing. B and C mean exactly the same thing. Negative 2 minus 3 is the same as negative 4 plus negative 2. Like if they're both negatives, one and the same bracket, that would make sense. Let's say, oh, sorry, go ahead.
Start with like, so if you were doing negative 4 minus negative 2, it would still be like the same
It'll be different. I'll actually just I'll change it here. Yeah, no problem. So the question was, let's say it's something like this. -4 minus -2. I love it. What's the difference with this one? What happens -4 minus? Yeah, go ahead.
Well, since it's minus -2, you would have to change both negatives to a positive. Well, a plus.
Very good. Remember, and we'll talk about this a little bit for integers, but you think when you multiply two negatives, it makes it a positive. The way you think of, I think of negatives as like opposite. So the opposite of -2 is like +2, right? So all of the negative here is doing is changing those two negatives to a plus. So then the same thing, -4 + 2. If you can't do that in your head, no problem. You know how I do that? Even me as an adult, 35 years old, you probably need to hear that. Okay, I do it in my head as 2 minus 4. How can I get away with doing that as 2 minus 4? Yeah, right?
Like positive 2 minus.
Yeah, all I did, I say this is 2 minus 4, I just do this, right? I just switch the numbers like that. What's 2 minus 4? -2, right? -2. Now, what I'm just trying to show you here is that it's different for everyone how you do your integers, right? Some people do it that way, some people do it like, there's a whole bunch of different ways to do it, whatever way works for you. There's no one right way. The only right way is there, Joel, is to make sure you get -2 here for your answer. Right? It doesn't matter, I don't care how you do it, as long as you get -2. Integers are probably the most important thing from grade 8, I'd probably say. When do you guys start doing integers? Grade 4 or something? I have no idea. 6? Grade 7? 6 or 7, whenever though, but this is probably one of the biggest things you learn. As well, in the back of the classroom, I should probably put it at the front, there's a number line if you need it. You guys all familiar with number lines from elementary school? No comment? Yeah, so that if you need to look up and turn your head, go ahead on your quiz. I don't mind that on Monday. All right, letter D. I'm going to throw up 2 on the board here. And I'm going to pause and give you guys a chance to actually put 3 on the board here. And give you guys a chance to try these yourselves. If you're not sure what's happened in the first, actually, 3 plus -8 equals, E is 18 minus -4. And this is -13 plus -8 minus -7. Okay, actually, I'm going to pause this. And then there's another weird thing I do, but I'm trying to stop.